Ibadan Urban Flood Management Project, which was set up by the OYO state government to provide fundamental and far-reaching solutions to the perennial and incessant flooding in Ibadan, held stakeholders engagement workshop on food forecast, warning service and implementation support project. Speaking at the event, the RUFMP coordinator, Engineer Olasunkanmi Sokeye, commended the state government's efforts towards mitigating the effects of flood. He also enlightened the stakeholders of the early warning system, which is the first of its kind in Nigeria and will be installed in 5 locations in Ibadan to detect flood days before occurrence.
And one of the measures that we are taking in mitigating flooding is the installation of an early warning systems. Like the name has said, has indicated, early warning has to do with warning people early enough for them to take actions to ensure that they are not victims of the flooding that is about to occur. So I'm using this opportunity to beg people, please stop dumping wastes in rivers. When we dump waste in rivers, this waste take up the space in which water is supposed to flow.
According to Dr. Murali Krishna, a technical consultant with RMSI Private Limited in India, noted that the early warning system will help warn people ahead to minimize the effects of flood.
We already started the training. Last 1 year, we have trained a lot of people in the departments, and also we are doing community awareness also. People should know that there is a siren, and the siren, if it sound, then what they should do. So we are doing community awareness activities also in collaboration with IUFMB.
An environmental specialist, Mr. Oloyede Saka, noted the positive, negative, and causes of flood as threats to life and livelihood. He further urged the stakeholders to complement government's efforts by obeying measures put in place to reduce the dangers of flood in Ibadan. The event, which was attended by government agencies, featured an interactive session which provided stakeholders with knowledge of the early warning system and best practices in disaster response. Lydia Afolabi, BCOS News.